Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kyur-Woo Ko. I'm a first grade of Cheongdam Middle School. When I started to paint more drawings to prep for art school entrance test, I learned that taking nature as it is the best way to keep nature. I started to wonder how human can live harmoniously with nature. I sometimes wonder if that was even possible. With this question wandering in my head, I decided to participate in this speech contest. It is 11th anniversary since the UN started a day of desertification and drought. It was said to spread awareness and encourage active involvement around the world to stop desertification and drought. Korea was no exception. Since Korea is an agriculture country, a lot of farmers use herbicide, insecticide, produce more products. However, this had begun to hit us with environmental problems such as desertification and drought. Because of the desertification and drought, some of the species lost their habitat. To be more specific, Korea had its own species of butterfly called red-spotted butterfly, which live in Samcheok. With many research and effort, this endangered butterfly found its home. It was extremely inspirational because we can make desertification land into environmental friendly land again. However, this work was done by experts. As a teenager who does not have expert knowledge, I still come up with some ideas. First, we need to raise our awareness at school. To do so, I would like to start a club to research about desertification and drought. I think this is important because we're the next generation to take responsibility for this issue. For example, visiting Nanjido, which is now called Olympic Park, and learn how it became eco-friendly place for people from desert place with polluted air and land. Working with desertification is not foreign problem. Solutions are only 40 minutes away from my home. It was a matter of awareness among teens. We have to have a club at school where my friends and I can study the issue. As a leader of the club, I could have regular presentations about desertification and encourage involvement in actions. Furthermore, form a network with other organizations and schools and exchange information and form activities. Meeting with renowned scholars to study depth of desertification and how we can future study area related to majors in university. My interest in the environment started with little interest. As I gotten older, it was a matter of responsibility. I am willing to encourage other peers to be more involved with our environment. Thank you.